Hey beauties, it's me Evie, and I am here with a March BoxyCharm unboxing. Before we get started with the unboxing, let me just tell you a little bit about BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. You can start out with the base box, which is 5 full-size items and for $25, with a value starting at $175 and up for actual value of the box. And at $35 a month, you can get the premium box, which is 6 full-size items for the value starting at $215. As an add-on, you can receive a quarterly box for the additional price of $24.99. $24.99, you can get the quarterly box, which has 8 full-size products in it, starting at the value of $365. What I love about BoxyCharm is that I get to try products that I otherwise would never be able to try. I also get to learn the latest in skincare developments. I get to see the new trends and colors and styles in makeup. So for me, it's a win-win situation. So I'm glad to be partnering with BoxyCharm this month, bringing you the base box for March. So on the inside, this month's card is BoxyCharm Lucky. And it just so happens that my shirt says Lucky, but it is not from BoxyCharm. It was my own thing. Okay, let's just jump into this and see what we have. The first thing we have is Lime Crime. It's an eyeshadow palette. It is Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. And this is the product. A very beautiful case. And it just comes up. It's the magnet case. And let's just show you the colors. A buttery formula that is richly pigmented, doesn't fade or fall out. BoxyCharm says this retails for $38. The retail price is $38. And like on a secondary market, you can possibly pick this up for $15. So the next thing we have is from Maven Beauty. This is Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. And I will just open it up for you. In a nice, lovely, ooh, and you can smell the rose. This is the product. It is an antioxidant packed rose water setting spray, and this is 3.38 fluid ounces. Oh, it's a nice fine mist, and this this retails for $22, and on the secondary market you may possibly find it for $10. The next product we have is from KAB Cosmetics. This is the packaging. We have a Hydrating Lip Oil. It's a non-sticky all-day hydration. It's just a clear jelly looking with a sponge applicator, and it smells kind of good too. Ooh. This retail price is $20, and you can possibly find it on the secondary market for $15. Next item is from Beauty Crop. It is Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. Avocado and green tea infused eye patches that hydrate and depuff your under eyes. Notice there's 3 pair. They must have partnered with BoxyCharm. On the general market, you can find 30 pairs for $24. But the retail for these 3 are $18. Now we have what I was most excited to see when I was sneaking at the previews. It is from Glow Recipe. We have Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I am really excited about this one. First of all, I love Glow Recipe. It's just a good brand. But I hear this smells amazing. And it does. It does not disappoint at all. You have a nice banana pudding feeling going on here. Boxy's price for this is $39. And guess what? You can't get this on the second market any cheaper than $39. It is going for $39 and way above. So BoxyCharm would have been really good this month for you if you really are into bananas. That is the end of my BoxyCharm. So what is the total price in all of these? It's $137 total. If you tried to find this on the secondary market, all these products, it would be around $93. Still, it's an amazing price for what you get in this box. Now, this is a base box. This is what I normally get each month, even before partnering with Boxy. I love my BoxyCharm and I look forward to it every month. It just feels good to get a box that you know is going to make you feel pampered once you open it. So I'm going to sign off here. Remember to be your own beautiful. Like, comment, and subscribe.